So hello and welcome back. So this is an unboxing or enveloping, whatever you want to call it. It's just called unboxing. And a lot of these. So when someone says a PO box, yeah, I don't mind sharing that. Personal addresses, yes I do. And first thing I'm going to do is look at the stamps. So this is United States, and as you can see, it has forever. So that means it doesn't matter if there's change in the price. Oh, there you go. I don't know why that's blurry. If there's a change in the price, you can still use the actual stamp. And then the next one we have is from Greece. So this one is a personal address, so I'm not going to show that, hopefully. Yeah, Hellas, name of the country. And this one has different priests on it. 2002. So there's a 20-year-old stamps. Obviously not worth collecting. And then we have, what's this? Is that 90 euro cents? Yeah, 90 cents. And that is, looks like a velodrome. With a tennis coupe in the middle. So yeah, I don't read Greek, so I'm not too sure what that represents. I can look it up on a stamp catalogue, but these ones, oh no, they have been stamped. Anyway, so if you collect stamps, then this is a good way to get stamps. And the last one, there's the PO box, beautiful. The last one is a first aid. Yeah, pity, need to take that off. First day issue, 1985. So I think the price of the stamps in 1984 is 27 cents. And even though these are stamped, because it was never posted, you could use it. So they put another 27 stamp, 1982. And this is a 5 shilling stamp from, yeah, I don't know what date that is. It has a Sydney Harbour Bridge on it anyway. It's probably before they built the Opera House, that monstrosity in the city. And then we have angels. So these are angels, and they have something. So this is that stuff you hang on the roof and you kiss people under it. Got bells that you put on a tree. That's the top of the Christmas tree, and these are decorations you put on the side. So that's what they have. Anyway, let's open it up and find out what I purchased, because I can't remember what I purchased. That's what happens. So what we want to do is break the sticky tape and just go along, making sure that you don't damage it. So I usually keep these first aid covers. Just put it in your collection, even though they're not worth anything now. So, photo frame size. Yep. Okay, this one thanks Glenn for the interest in the coins from our dad's Hannah. Thank you, Hannah. That's nice. And what I purchased here. Okay. Oh, looks like I've got a mixed coin set. So this is, yeah, I have a feeling I know what's in this. So this should be one of the oldest Chinese coins. It's a bit hard to open up. So this is a well packaged coin because it's hard to open up, and everything's protected. So I can see a Belgian Congo coin there. Chinese. Okay. Yep. They can get reused. And wow. This is so hard. So what you need to do is you need to try and saw it without damaging the actual coins. Okay. Okay, so I've got some Indian coins there as well, which is beautiful. Oh, Hong Kong. Ah. Okay, and this has Miwa. This one has need any more? Oh, there's one more coin. Oh. Okay. So you need to just be careful. This one's so wrapped you could actually throw it out in the rubbish. That one is a... Oh, come on. Yeah, it's probably got too much wrapping. Okay, it's a 10 cents from the Netherlands, 1906. So is there any more? So don't throw that out. Keep it just in case. Okay, so what do we have here? We have... Okay, so from India, I think this is Ponchandary. I need to look that up. Bua per state, quarter anna, worth about $5 to $10. And this one's, can't remember the denomination, I need to look that up. But I'm using the phone to record. Okay, so that's probably $10 to $20 there. Okay, then we have a small coin, so this is a 1 mil from Hong Kong, 1866. So in this condition, probably $20 to $30. Looks pretty corroded. Maybe that can come off. But yeah, I'm not too positive about that. But anyway, that's a space filler. Then we have the Dutch 10 cents, 1906. And this one has Wilhelmina, Queen of the Netherlands. She looks quite young there, probably in the 20s. And here we have Burmese 1 piece. So that's the way it goes up, because that's a written. And it has the denomination, I think that's the denomination on this side. But this one's about $5 or $10. Then we have the, so I got this one because it's in pretty much uncirculated condition. Central Bank of Belgian Congo, 1959. This one's probably $20 to $30. So you need to check up. And this one is called a Bangliang. So this was issued around 200 BC. So it's one of the first Chinese coins. And these are quite common. They cost about $10 to $20 each. So that's pretty much, I got all these coins just for that one Chinese one, because that's the one that fascinates me. So Chinese did issue coins independently of other places. This one says half rupee. Okay, half rupee, and I can't remember where that's from. I think it's a scarce coin. I have a fair idea, I just can't think of it offhand. It could be Miwa. Anyway, so that's probably worth at least $50 to $70 just for that one. It's a pretty scarce coin to get. And the last one we have, so someone's written on this. So this looks like, yeah, another scarce coin, 2000. So I'll make another video updating what these are, because that one's also quite an expensive coin myself. Okay, the one from Greece. So I think this might be banknotes. Can't remember. That's what happens when you get too much stuff. Or you're actually doing too much. Okay. I was actually hoping to go out to a geological site today, but obviously that's not going to happen. So this comes in, comes in folder. Quite nice, and yeah. Okay, so here we just have the 10 zloty from 1982, 20 zloty from 1982, 50 zloty from 1988. So this is the inflation period. So it's pretty common to get them for uncirculated. And on the back, we have a cross for swords. And these two just have the denomination. So out of this one's the most expensive, probably at least $10 to $20. But these ones are not. So all up, probably $20 for the whole lot. Yeah, not too bad. So you keep it in this protective sleeve. And then we have the one from the USA. Okay, and this one is $10 Hong Kong $10 banknotes. Oh, I got a mixture. So 1964, it's probably a harder date to get. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I need to look up the price of that one. Probably about $20 for that. Okay, more. So 1975 is also a harder date. So this one has no date on it. It's a charter bank. Has a charter bank building, Hong Kong. This one's dated issued between 1975. In pretty good condition. The watermark is a Roman soldier. And on the back, we just have a scene of the old dock in Kowloon. So there's a clock tower there. This has all been built up, pretty much changed quite a lot. Yeah, so probably 2030 for that. And 1975, I'm not too sure on the actual value of that one in that condition. Probably saying $20, $30. Then we have two $5 notes, so 1965 for that. And these are, both 65, 1st of February. Bit of a harder date to get, especially in high grade. So this on the staining, it's probably 10 to 20 for both of those. Anyway, so that's basically what I got this week. And next time we get mail, we can check out what I purchased next time. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this introduction to coins and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.